Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me this morning. I do have a journal to share with you now. This is Archie, and Archie has actually been sold and is about to be packed up to go off to his new home, but I just wanted to show you him before I sent him away. Now, as you know, I've been doing my cat series journals. This is number 3. He's number 3. Constance has been sold, and so has Archie. So Henrietta is still for sale, and I really love how they've all turned out. I've tried to do them all, you know, a bit different with some different things in and different elements. So let me show you Archie. So look at him. He is just, he's probably the cutest of my cat images that I have on the journals. I absolutely love him. He's just gorgeous. It does have a fabric cover, as you can see. This is fabric and then lace, and then I do have this gold applique on the front here, and as you can see, I've even added some fun tassels onto this one. He has been sewn all the way around, and I have used cream satin ribbon for the enclosures. So let's have a look inside of him. So in the front cover, we have these lovely vintage book pages in these journals, and I used a French book which has some beautiful, gorgeous, stunning images. They're just beautiful that I could not waste them, so I have used them in the cat journals. Have this lovely cat image pocket, and then just some this has got the old book pages on the back that has been aged, and just some ephemera in there. Some is coffee dyed, and some is that vintage book page that we've got on the others. There's a gorgeous lace fun trim on here, which I think really works well with that image. And then a flip out here, and here I have a double, but it's actually a triple pocket. So we've got one pocket here, one here, and one here, and I've tried to stuff it full. So we've just got this little writing space here with matching lace that goes with the lace on the bottom, if I can get that in. And then we have these fun little bits of ephemera in here, like a little ticket, some Tracy Fox, another little cat image, and some Tim Holtz. I've got to remember how I had that in here. Like that. And then we've got a couple of bits of ephemera in here, and then you've got a little bit of space you can write on there. This is vintage handwriting and some lace and a sticker. And then we've got, oh my goodness, I don't know why I even bother putting that on here. I just thought it looked prettier. Then we have a lovely cat sticker there. Some beautiful flower pages. Then I have another Tracy Fox and one of these lovely fun tassels. Edith Holden. This is handwriting from a book I picked up from the car boot, and this is 1924. It was like a little diary, or this lady was writing her poems. She even signed it there, look. I just thought it was lovely to leave in. Got a little tuck spot here, which you can put something there. One of the fun paper bags, which has some ephemera in the pocket there. And then we've got a pocket here with some lace and just some fun pages. Oh, look at these images. They are so bright and gorgeous. Then I have a tuck spot, which you can actually take this off, and it's got writing space there, and it's one of these cat stamps, and it has a little cat charm. Oops, it's in focus there. Just there, so you can actually take that off and put that wherever you want. We've got some fun trim paper clips. Little paw prints down here. lots of writing space and patterned paper, coffee dyed paper. I've got a fun fabric ruffle there, some really old book pages. Then I have one of these pockets that I've made from my birthday card. It's got some fun trim, and I've just put some, it's got adventure, some paper on there, book pages I should say. Then it's got a little tuck spot and some more Tracy Fox that says dream in there. Get in. Right, okay, I love this image. That was my last one, so I don't have any more of him now. Oh, I might have one. Did I find another one? Oh, hang on. Let me see. Did I find another one, or was that my... No, it was actually my last one. It was my last one. Because, yeah, it was my last one. They're what I have left of those cards. They're just birthday cards, look. And I just turn them into a pocket wherever he's gone. Yeah, and just cut out a bit and just glue him down. Easy pocket. Right, just put some paper on there for you to write on. Then we've got one of these envelopes with some little writing paper in there. Should have put two sheets in there. And I've got some lace on there. Oops, get that back in. And here we have a little journaling space, but I've also put a handmade with love on the end there. Now I tried to make this one a bit different, whereas I was hanging the tabs off the pages with the charms. I've tried to add the charms differently on this one for you, so it's a little bit different. I've left this torn edge because I just kind of like the feel of it. These beautiful images, and they look very aged pages here. And look at the bear. Look how old. I mean, they don't draw bears like that anymore, do they? You can tell just how old this book is. This book, the pages from this book, I should say. More pockets here for you to put ephemera in there, because I put lots in the actual pocket. I will find a couple of bits to put in there. I just haven't put it in yet. And we have more Edith Holden flower pages. And then at the back here, I have made, oops, oh come on, this fold out envelope pocket, and you just take these strings and you just unwind it like so, and it is just an envelope with some ephemera in. And you know, you can, there's a little writing space here, but you have got some space on the back. But I love that image, and I love these envelopes. And they're super easy to make with old book pages as well. And that's just clipped on with a paper clip with some more eyelash trim. Here, I've just got a couple of bits of ephemera and another tassel there. Oops, can't see it. Another fun tassel. Gorgeous images on here. And then you have another pocket here. What I will do, I will put some ephemera in here and in the other pockets to fill him out a little bit more. I don't know what happened. I missed that one. So, right, Charles. That is Archie. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that it will inspire you to start making junk journals, because they are so much fun. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I am going to get Archie ready to go to his new home with Constance. So they will be on their way very soon, Susan. So take care. Love you guys. See you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.